I was complete this round too, and now I'm back, and I start a new round. And for this round, first I skip 2 stitch in slip stitch 1 and 2 slip stitch and skip 2 stitch and make 3 chain, 2 and 3 chain, and make 6 double crochet over the double crochet, and this pattern will 8 double crochet total, and this pattern is similar previous pattern. There is totally 8 double crochet, 2 chain, and this 2 double crochet in the same space, 2 double crochet, 3, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 5, 6, 7 and 8 double crochet, totally 8 double crochet in both sides, and chain 1 and skip 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip 2 double crochet in both sides. In the third stitch I will make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6 double crochet over the 6 double crochet, in the space make 2 double crochet, make 2 chain, 2 double crochet in the same space, and make 6 double crochet over the 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5, 6, 1, skip 2 stitch, and this side skip 2 stitch and make 6 double crochet. Both side this pattern will both side totally 8 double crochet, totally 8 double crochet I will make. In this space I will make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. I will be back to complete this round.